Okay guys, how are y'all doing today? So today we got a Echo SRM-210 weed eater, and we'll be replacing the carburetor on it, guys. So to do that, first thing we'll need to do is to remove this wing nut from our air filter cover. So we remove that, guys, and the air filter is in there. We'll also be replacing that and getting everything cleaned up, guys, before we reassemble it. So we'll need a Phillips screwdriver, and we'll just loosen these two screws which holds the air filter housing in place and the carburetor, guys. Also, we'll be replacing the fuel lines. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks to all our viewers. Thanks to all our subscribers. Thanks to all who leave some feedback for us, guys. It is greatly appreciated. So we can just go ahead and remove that, guys. Keep everything together so we don't lose anything. So here's our carburetor, guys. Okay guys, so as you can see here, this carburetor is definitely a bit dirty. I won't be discarding it. I'll just take it off and install a new one, but I'll definitely keep this one and clean it, guys. So first thing we want to do is to remove our throttle cable, and we'll do that by screwing this nut in, and then we can bring the cable forward. And then we push it out like that, guys. So you just want to push it out like that, pull it out, and then we can screw this back out, guys, and everything will come out. So there's our throttle cable, and then we can just pull up our entire fuel line with our fuel filter and everything, guys. And please make note of how everything is assembled on here, guys. This is your return line to the tank, your gas filter, and your vent cap. So let's go ahead and get out our new carburetor, guys, and before I install it, I'll just go ahead and clean everything up so we'll have a clean working space, guys. So I'll catch you all in a sec. Also, guys, please take note of the gasket that sits on the back and the front of the carburetor. So please make sure it doesn't stick here. If it does, you just got to clean it off and install your new gasket, guys. So just a quick tip. Okay guys, so today I'm going to give you a quick tip to save you some money instead of you having to go to the auto parts store and getting some carb cleaner or degreaser. You can just go ahead and use some gasoline. I'm sure you will have that lying around somewhere, guys, and a toothbrush, and you can just brush away all that stuff, guys, and everything will be shining and looking new, guys. So just a quick tip on what I use sometimes to clean up stuff, and as I said, it's better than having to go spend $5-6 buying a can of carb syrup, even though it's always good to have carb cleaner, guys. But to just clean parts like this, guys, and just clean up your engine casings and all that stuff, good old gasoline works very well. So please take that tip, guys. So I see you when I get everything cleaned up, guys. So okay guys, I'm sure you can see a difference there, and that helps to remove all the oil buildup, guys, and that will help to cause your engine to run hot. So removing that will help the engine to cool, guys, with your air fins right here. So let's get out our carburetor and our gasket and our fuel lines and get everything set up, guys. Okay guys, so here's our new fuel line, or fuel lines I should say. So first we'll go ahead and install our fuel filter, and then we can go ahead and plug everything in, guys. So for this you'll need a flathead screwdriver. So, okay guys, after a bit of pushing and turning and wiggling, we got our grommet in with our fuel lines, guys. And you can just go ahead and tuck away your vent cap up in that housing there, which is provided for it. And you just want to double check, and remember guys, not everything goes in, it's just that first slip you want to get the seat in to the gas tank. So okay guys, now we got everything all cleaned up. Here's our new carburetor, and here's our new gasket that will sit at the back. Also, if you want, we can go ahead and connect our fuel lines first. So our fuel return line will go to the smaller port, so that will go to the smaller port, guys. And then the air filter, the fuel filter, will go to the bigger port. I might just have to heat this hose up a bit so that it can slip on a bit better, guys. Alrighty, there we go. So there's another tip for you guys. If you have a hose that's a bit smaller than a port you're trying to get it on, you can just heat it up and get it on there, guys. So now we can get our gasket. Remember guys, the gasket goes like this. Okay guys, so this is a close-up of how you want your gasket sitting on the back of the carburetor. So it will go like that, and I did just install the air filter cover so that everything would stay together, guys. So we just get that back in, and I will show you how the front gasket will go on. So this is how the gasket will sit on the front, guys. Let me just rotate this in the proper direction, so you can just put that on before and it will sit like that. So we put that on, guys, making sure we have our gasket in the back lined up as well. So now we can just go ahead and install that, guys. And then we can go ahead and tighten down our screws. So now, guys, we can go ahead and tighten these screws back in. Don't want to over tighten them, guys. Just getting them snug enough. Alrighty, guys, so next we'll just install our throttle cable. So we just go ahead and we push back our cable through here, and then we rotate our throttle, guys. We might need a flathead right there to get our channel lined up. There we go, guys. So let's rotate that. There we go. Snap our cable back in. Alright, like that, guys. Alright, guys, here we go. We just pull back on that, and that sets our spring. Now we can test our throttle and make any adjustments that is needed, guys. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Please feel free to comment below. All feedback and questions are greatly appreciated, guys. God bless. Thank you. So let's get our air filter on and get everything back together, guys. Okay, guys, so here's our new air filter, which we can just set in place right here. Okay, guys, so you just want to push that in, make sure it sits properly, then we can screw our air filter cover down, guys. Okay, guys, so we just want to tighten down our air filter cover and make sure we don't have any kinks in our lines, and we should be good to go, guys. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. God bless you all. I see you all on the next one. Thank you.